In this video, I'll show you how to easily set up a sub or follow goal in the title on Kick that updates in real time. If you haven't signed up for Kicklet yet, I'll link the video here on how to set everything up. Then we'll jump right in. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken directly to the dashboard. Here, you'll see the stream title, and this is where you can adjust everything. Simply click this switch to activate it. You can now customize the title as you like and use variables within it. By default, the title here says My First Stream, Follower Goal, and includes the follower goal. You can use all sorts of variables here. To see which ones are available, we'll go down to the documentation and open it in a new tab. Click Get Started, then go to JavaScript/template. Here, you'll see all the available variables. For example, follower is the one that's already included in the title by default, but there are also other options, like subscriber. If I just copy this and paste it here, it would display my subscribers from the last 30 days, which is what the number 30 represents. If I wanted a daily sub goal instead, I could write daily sub goal and change the 30 to 1 so it shows today's subs. But I'll undo that for now because I want to use it for followers. You can adjust the goal here to something that seems achievable. For me, maybe 20 would be a better target, or I might set it to 75 to reach the affiliate goal. Once you're done, click Save. With that, you've successfully set the title, and it will update automatically. I'll quickly demonstrate by going live, and we'll wait for a moment. Now, as you can see here in the mod feed, Kicklet has successfully updated the title. It will regularly refresh, so you never have to worry about managing the goals again. You can, of course, update the title at any time. To demonstrate this, let's quickly try another title. We'll go into the documentation and copy the variable that displays the number of active viewers. We'll paste it here and make a few adjustments. Now, we'll hit Save and check the Kick dashboard again. As you can see, the title has been successfully updated, and the viewer count is now displayed in the title. With that, everything has been shown, and I wish you lots of fun using this neat feature. If you should have any problems or questions, don't hesitate to join the Kicklet Discord with the link in the description and ask. That's it from me with the video. Please leave a like and a comment. See you next time.